Here's how to run a Laravel project on Localhost. So first, for Windows users, download and install WAMP from wampserver.com and then download and extract the Commander Mini from here. I'll leave a link to that page down in the description, so there will be a few more links and I'll just leave them in order down in the description. So then update your Windows environment variable path to point to the PHP installation folder inside the WAMP installation directory. You can follow this guide on Stack Overflow, which will be the second link in the description. Then use the Commander as your console. Now for Mac, Ubuntu and Windows users, continue here. First create a database locally named Homestead with the following collation. Then download and install Composer from getcomposer.org. Then pull the Laravel or PHP project from your Git provider. Then rename the file to .env inside your project root and update the database credentials. For Windows users, you might need to open the console cd to your project root directory and run the command mv.env.example.env. Then the fifth step is to open your console and cd into your project root directory. Then sixth, run composer install or php composer.par install. Seventh, run php artisan key generate. Then eighth, run php artisan migrate to create the database structure. Then the ninth step is to run php artisan database seed to add any seed data if applicable. And finally, run the PHP artisan serve. And then you can now access your Laravel project at the following link, which will be the final link down in the description. So now you know how to run a Laravel project on Localhost. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I'll see you in the next video.